Dear student, today's topic is assembler directives. So assembler directives are the directives or the instructions that are given to the assembler, linker and loader. This is not the part of the processor instruction set, but this is the instruction to the assembler, linker and loader. So we will see the assembler directive one by one. First is assume. Assume is used to assign the logical segments to physical segments. As we know, there are 4 segments in the 8086, but there are multiple logical segments in the 8086. So we can assign this multiple logical segment to the 4 physical segment by using the assume directive. Then db, dw, dt, dd, dq, these are the assembler directive which are used to assign the memory location or the space, like we are using integer, float, character in the C. Here the data types are db, dw, dt, then dd, dq. Okay, so what is db? db is the defined byte. So it is used to declare the byte type of variable, means it is used to declare a variable of 8 bits. Then define double word. As we know, word is of 16 bit, so double word is of 32 bit. So this dd is used to define the variable of 32 bit. Then dq, define code word. So this is used to define the 4 words. 4 words means 64 bits storage into the memory location. It is used to reserve the 64 bits of storage into the memory location. dt is define 10 bytes. It is used to tell the assembler to define a variable of 10 bytes. So it define the variable of 10 bytes, means 80 bits. And dw is define word. It is used to tell the assembler to define a variable of type word, which is of 16 bit. Then end directive. This end directive is put after the last statement of your program. Okay, this is the last statement of your program. If you are writing any statement after end, then that is simply ignored by the processor. End p and proc. These two directives are used to define the procedure. proc is used to define the procedure, and end p is used to define the end of that procedure. eq is like the equal to sign in your C. Equate is used to redefine the data name and value with some other data name and value. For example, here the control word eq 11011001. So here control word takes the value 1100111001. Then extern. This extern directive is used to tell the assembler that the name or label following the extern is in the some another module, means it is external to the module, it is defined into the other module. Then label directive is used to define the label for any module. Name directive. The name directive is used to give the specific name to the assembly module. Then offset is an operator which tells the assembler to determine the offset of the or displacement of the named data item. Okay, so it is used to determine the offset value. As we know, offset value is the distance between the base address and the required memory location. So this offset directive is used to determine the offset of that particular memory location or of that particular data. Then length. The length is an operator which tells the assembler to determine the number of elements in the some named data item. For example, move cx, length of string 1. So this length directive determines the number of elements in the string 1. So the length directive is used to determine the number of elements in that string. Then, as I have told you, proc is used to define the procedure. Pointer is operator is used to assign the specific type or to a variable or to a label. Segment and ends. So these two directives are used to define the end of the segment and to define the segment. Code segment, so it is used to define the code segment. Segment directive is used to define the code segment, and code ends, it is used to define the end of that segment. Then type operator tells the assembler to determine the type of specified variable. If that variable is of byte type, then the assembler will give the value 1, and if it is word, then it gives the value of 2. For double word, it gives the value of 4. Like the type operator tells the assembler to determine the type of a specified variable. So as we know, the data types are DT define, DB define byte, DW define word, DD define double word, DT define 10 byte, DQ define quad words. So these are the assembler directives.